Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class, class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 6. Name of the chapter is time and this is a lecture 1. Today's subtopics are first of all, finding the number of days from one day to another. Okay, and next is 24-hour clock time. Along with this, we will do practice sums of exercise 6A and 6B. Right? Now, first of all, what is this time? Name of the chapter is time. Time है क्या? Let me tell you in a very simple way. Time is defined as the duration in which all the things or events happen. Okay. It is an ongoing and continuous sequence of events that occur from past through present to future. मतलब टाइम जो है कंटिन्यूस चलता है, ऑनगोइंग सीक्वेंस है, जो कभी रुकता नहीं है. पास्ट जो कुछ हो चुका दैट इज पास्ट, whatever is going on is present and whatever will be there is known as future. Okay, so it is ongoing and continuous sequence of events. And we measure and define what time of the day it is using clock. मतलब इस समय कौन सा टाइम चल रहा है? We can tell this by using clock, and we generally use 12-hour clock time. Okay, in which 12 numbers are written on the clock from 1 to 12, and this generally a clock has hour hand and minute hand. And in some clocks we find second hand also. Okay. Now you all know how to draw the clock and how to read the time. You have done in your previous classes. Okay. I will tell you one time again. 12-hour clock time, 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The hand which is smaller is hour hand, the bigger one is minute hand. And you have done in previous classes how to draw the hands of the clock, how to read the time on the clock. Okay. If I am telling you the time quarter to 10, if it is quarter to 10, what does it mean? 50 minutes before 10, then the time will be 9:45. Okay. And if we have to draw the hands of the clock, how we can draw? Hands of the clock, if we have to draw, then how to draw? 9:45. Our hand will show 9, and here we will take if 9, it means it's total 9, but 9 बजे के बाद 45 minutes भी पास हो चुके, so it will move little. Okay, move करेगी थोड़ी सी 9 और 10 के सेंटर की तरफ. And 45 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So minute hand will be like this. So in this way we can draw the hands of the clock. We can write down the time. Okay. Here in class 5, our first topic is finding number of days from one date to another date. Okay, number of days निकालने एक डेट से दूसरी डेट में. To understand this, first of all we should know what is this ordinary year. The year having 365 days, and leap year, the year having 366 days. In leap year, there are 29 days in the month of February. Okay. Now we will start our exercise 5A. Exercise 6A. Question number 1, A part. Find the number of days from 5th May to 5th July. This is our first question, A part. In an ordinary year, we have to tell the number of days. Okay, so let's start our solution. First of all, we will write down month and then days. First month is here May. Okay, 5th May, say 5th July. So 1st May, 2nd May, 3rd May, 4th May. These 4 days we are not going to count. Now, how many days are there in the month of May? Okay, January, February, March, April, May. May कहाँ रहा? ऊपर आ रहा है. So it has 31 days minus 4 days. So days left are 27. June has 30 days. July up to 5th July. So July has 5 days only. From 1st July to 5th July. Understood? Then total. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So there are 62 days from 5th May to 5th July. Okay. Next is first question B part. Find the number of days from 3rd January to 25th July in a leap year. Keep this thing in your mind. Month. Days. First of all, we will take January month. From 3rd January, so we will leave 1st and 2nd January. 2 days we will leave. In January there are 31 days. So days left are 29. And February, as it is leap year, so February month has 29 days. March, 31. April, 30. May, 31. June, 30. And July. From 1st July to 25th July, how many days? 25, right? And then total will be here. Now total we will find out. 9 plus 9, 18, plus 1, 19, plus 1, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. To carry. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So there are 205 days. Here 1st July to 25th July. Okay. So there are 205 days. In this way you can calculate the number of days from one day to another. This is our first topic of the class 5 chapter 6. Now we will study about the 24-hour clock time. Hour clock time. Okay. In 24, first of all, you should know that where this clock is going to use. We normally use 12-hour clock, but in railways. And airlines and armed forces. They use 24-hour clock time. Okay. And digital watches also show the time in 24 hours clock time. Okay. And a day has 24 hours. And what is this AM time and PM time? We use AM to tell the time running from midnight to noon, and PM time, the time running from noon to midnight. Okay. Now let's understand by drawing a clock. See, 24-hour clock time. First of all, we will draw clock here. Twelve, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal gap should be there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now, if it is 24-hour clock time, after 12 noon, there will be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay. And they have started from 00 hours. From 0000 hours. In 24-hour clock time, we always write, we all express the time in 4-digit numbers. Okay. So how we will write down? As time 1 p.m. it will be 1300 hours. Means 4 digits will be there. Okay. One more thing you should know. As the day has started from 12 midnight, रात के 12 बजे नया दिन शुरू होता है. That is 12 a.m. Okay. 12 a.m. 0000. That is 0 hours. Okay. After that 12 noon, it is 12 p.m. and 1200 hours in 24-hour clock. And after that here it is 11 p.m. It is 2300 hours. Okay. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 100 hours. Okay. Now here it is 12 midnight. Means अब दिन यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया है. 2400 hours. Again new day start हो गया. So 12 a.m. is written as 0000 hours or 2400 hours. Got it? Keep this thing in your mind. This clock is made in your book also. Page number 54. Do practice of doing this. Now our first question of exercise 5B. Exercise 6B. Question number 1. Change into 24-hour clock time. Time is given to us. We have to change into 24 hours clock time. 12 noon. 12 noon you all know. That is 1200 hours. I explained you. Okay. Next is 6:20 p.m. Now how to write on the time? 6:20 p.m. 1200 hours. So आपके AM के include हो गए plus 6. So 12 plus 6 18. 1820 hours. Look here. 6 p.m. 1800 hours plus 20 minutes more. So 1820. 1820 hours. Okay. In this way you will convert it. Change into 12-hour clock time. Clock time. A part is 13:46 hours. Now, अब आप देखो बेटा 1300 plus 46 is there. It means PM time. 30 minus 12 कर दो. AM time minus करो. What is left? 1. So it will be 1:46 PM. Understood? Next is 2100 hours. 21. 12 से आगे चलेगा 1200 hours AM time. After that PM time. So 21 minus 12 will be 9. So 9 PM. 0000. Clear? part I am taking, that is 100 hours. 100 hours. Check करो अपने clock में 100 hours. This one 100 hours means day start होने पे 100 hours only pass हुए. So it will be 1 AM. 1200 से पहले का टाइम है. 1200 hours तक AM टाइम चलता है. Got it? In this way you can write down your answers. Your homework is revise classwork. You have to revise everything, whatever is given in your book, and do page number 54, question number 1, C and D parts. Of exercise 6A in maths practice notebook. Okay, revise how to make 24-hour clock time and revise the important points which I explained you in the lecture. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.